Welcome back. Now news from sports. Congress MLA Dayanand Narvekar has said that the Goa Cricket Association will buy property to build an international stadium if the Digambar Kamath government fails to give the promised land by April 11th. The GCA president disclosed important resolutions taken in Sunday's general body meeting.
गव्हर्नमेंटान आश्वासन दिल्ले आमकां माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान साधारण 1 महिन्या आधी जेन्ना GCAचे फंक्शन आसले 11 फेब्रुवारी तेन्ना की 2 महिन्या भितर आपूण जागा तुमकां दितलो म्हणून 11 फेब्रुवारी ते 11 मार्च 1 महिना जालो अजून पर्यंत काय मेळोंक ना तोपर्यंत आमी 11 एप्रिल पर्यंत रावतले आणि 11 एप्रिल पर्यंत जर कारवाई ना जाली किंवा एप्रिल एंड पर्यंत ना जाली तर GCA आपली स्वताची जागा घेतली आणि स्टेडियम बांदतलो असो एक ऐतिहासिक निर्णय आज जाला. दुसरो निर्णय जाला तो साधारण आर्किटेक्ट जोशी जो आसा उदय जोशी एंड एसोसिएटाचो ताणें प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट केला की एका साधारण इंटरनॅशनल क्वालिटीचो स्टेडियम बांदपाक 100 कोटी सुमार लागतले म्हणून.
The proposed stadium will have a capacity of 45,000 seats with facilities of international quality for the players and spectators. Gymnasium, swimming pool, clubhouse facilities along with GCA pavilion will also be housed in the stadium project.
एप्रिल एंडाक या स्टेडियमाची टेंडर काडटले आणि टेंडर काढून कन्सल्टंट काढून स्टेडियमाचे काम साधारण हांव समजता इथून मे म्हयन्यान तरी स्टार्ट जावंक जाय.
Meanwhile, Goa can look forward to hosting a one-day international match at Fatoda in October or November.
फातोर्डा स्टेडियमाचेर एक वन डे आमकां दिवा साधारण ऑक्टोबरान. आता पावसाचे चिन्ह आणि गव्हर्नमेंटान जर स्टेडियम दिले फातोर्डा स्टेडियम तर एक वन डे थंय जातली. ही इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया किंवा इंडिया श्रीलंका ऑक्टोबरान ते येतात. ऑक्टोबर नोव्हेंबरान एक मॅच गोंयान आसा आणि तेजी आमी तयारीक आतां सुरवात लागल्या. आमी ऑलरेडी SAGक लेटर बरयला की आमकां ग्रावंड जुनान पीच करपाक हँडओवर करपाक आमी रावले आतां तेंची तयारी करपाक कारण एक नवीन पीच आमकां थंय करूंक जाय.
Our reporter in Mapsa, Laukik Shilkar.
President of Scrabble Association of Goa, Serviulo Barros, believes that a world champion from Goa is a possibility for sure.
Barros disclosed that the state government has given positive signals in the promotion of Scrabble. It is now up to the youngsters to show their talent and bring laurels to Goa.
We have approached the Goa government of sitting with them, but they are very positive, although we have not got big support, but they are positive and SAG director Mr. Prabhu Desai is also very positive. We want to take this more to the younger students because I have a dream that one day the world championship should be won by a student from Goa. Because that is the hope with which we are working on these young minds. And it is not very difficult. In the next 3-4 years, if we prepare a core team of about 4 to 5 players who participate in all the national championships, the day is not far when we can have a world champion from Goa. Of course, the dream is to have a world champion because presently the world championship is held by Malaysia. So, and Malaysia is not a country where English is so well spoken as in India and particularly in Goa. So I don't see why our students cannot do it if they put in their effort, and youngsters, particularly those who love Scrabble. And my appeal is to all young people to participate in these tournaments and to participate in the workshops that we plan to conduct all over Goa, North Goa, South Goa, in every taluka, to come and participate in that, to learn the game and to learn the rules of the game.
Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Title aspirants Churchill Brothers beat East Bengal in a crucial I-League football game at Nehru Stadium, Fatorda on Sunday.
Churchill Brothers solidified their top spot in the I-League with a 3-1 victory over East Bengal. Sunday witnessed the largest crowd of the season at the Fatorda Stadium, providing a strong support for the home team. In-form forward Odafe Okoli did not disappoint his fans as he came up with a brace of goals. Odafe put Churchill ahead in the 34th minute. Ogbakalu made it 2-0 in the 47th minute. It proved to be a comfortable outing for Zoran Djordjevic's side when Udafe added another goal to their tally in the 74th minute. East Bengal's Yakubu Yusuf scored a consolation goal in the stoppage time. Our reporter in Madgaon, Satan Rodriguez.
And with this, we come to an end of this bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.